Every home feels better with fresh air. And we're excited for you to feel the difference a quality air purifier can make. Let's get started. First, place the air purifier on a flat, stable surface, keeping at least 15 inches of clearance on all sides. Twist the top half of the air purifier counterclockwise and lift up to remove it. Take out the filter and remove all plastic packaging. Then, place the filter back inside the air purifier. Placing the top half of the air purifier on top of the bottom half, press down to snap it back into place. If you'd like to clean the air purifier, simply wipe down the outside with a damp cloth. Loose debris on the inside of the air purifier can be cleaned out with a vacuum hose. To connect the air purifier to the VSync app, first turn on Bluetooth and make sure your phone isn't connected to any other devices. Then, open the free VSync app where you can log in or create an account. Turn on the air purifier and follow the in-app instructions to connect it to your VSync account. Through the VSync app, you control settings, create schedules, check filter life, and more. Now your new air purifier is set up and ready to go. We hope you enjoy the fresh air.